Good morning, associates. My name is Jason, and I'm your instructor for the day. Today, we're going to be talking about the Change of Program Application, or COP. I'm very excited to be here, and I'm very excited that you expressed interest to receive the training on the new application. Are you ready to begin? Now that you're ready, we can start. First, our objective for the day is for you to use the COP application and to learn the process to be able to make the changes requested by our clients in your daily jobs. I know most of you have experience, or all of you have experience using the old COP application and what it takes to be able to make the changes required. And since this is an improved application, I'm going to walk you through the new COP application. And to begin with, I'm going to show you how to access the application. You will be receiving the link to the application. And that will take us to the main access page. In this access page, you will enter your personal information or your user ID and password. Once you have entered your information, you will be directed to the welcome page. On this page, you will be able to see that you're logging with your identification, and you will just hit the link continue. Once in here, you will be entering the personal ID for the client that you want to make the change for. So I have bring some examples with us so we can practice. I'm gonna enter the identification for one of our clients. And then you will hit the search option. This is our client, and today we're going to learn also the three main functions of the Change of Program application: add a degree element, replace a degree element, and drop a degree element. So let's begin with add a degree element. You will click that option, and it will show you the current information that our client has. So from this point, you can see on your tables, I have distributed the manual, and you can follow along with me. We have already gone through the beginning page where you can enter your ID and access the application. Now we're moving into the second page where you can find the information for your client. So please use the manual with you so you can follow along with me. Now we're going to make the add degree element change. As you can see, you will find different drop boxes where you can select the options that you want. We're going to use the first option, and we're going to select, since this is a practice, we're just going to select any option, and then we're going to go down where it says degree 1 submit, and you're going to click there, and it will show you the confirmation page for this change. You will review that all the information and the add element that you want to add to this client record is correct, and once that is done, you will hit confirm. If the information is not correct, you will just cancel the operation, and it will take you back to the beginning so you can enter a new identification number for another of our clients. So this operation can be repeated with the other functions of the application. So let's enter another example, and we'll review the other function. The next function we're going to review is the replace degree, which is right next to the add degree element. You will select that option, and it will take you to The second page, where it will show you the current degree that our client has, you will change, you can change, you have the option to change the catalog year, and you can change the degree that our client has. So let's change the degree from a pre-major to a major degree, and then hit the replace degree one element. This will take you to the third page. In this page, the drop boxes will give you the options to pick the major for your client. So you will pick the major, and then you will pick, if any, concentration available for it, and then you will replace degree one element. So when that happens, that indicates that there's one element that you need to select. So it's telling us that we need to select a concentration, which we just did. And then we will replace. Again, this is the confirmation for the replace degree one element, which is very similar to the add degree one element page. If the information is correct, you will hit the confirm button at the bottom of the page, or you will cancel the operation if it's not. So for this purpose of this training, we're just going to cancel, since this is just a demonstration and we don't want to make any changes to these clients yet. The third and final function of our COP application is going to be the drop button, and we're going to enter another ID for our third example. Here we have, again, the first page will show you the current information for our client, and the third functionality will be the drop degree button. We'll press that button, and it will show us the third page. Just as it showed us before, you will select what is being wanted to be dropped, and you will select drop, and then select again confirmation page, and then you will confirm or you will cancel. So those are the three functions of our new COP program. And I have guided you through the process of using the add function. Let me go back here. So I have guided you to the process of adding an element, replacing an element, and dropping an element for our clients. So it's time for you to practice these three functionalities. You can use the tablet next in front of you to make these changes, and I will guide you through it. We can work with the manual as well, and I will provide you with feedback. Once you have done that, you will guide me through the process of making one of these changes again, so you can start your practice. Okay, so what is the first step that we need to do? Correct. We will access the web page for our COP program, and we will enter our client number. What is the next step that we need to do? Correct. We will review the information, and we'll select the function that we want to use. In this case, we can definitely practice the replace. It will take us to the third page for our client. What is next? Correct. We will change the catalog year if it's being requested to be changed, and the drop box will give us the options. What is next after this? Correct. We will select the degree that we want to replace. And then finally, what do we do next? We'll hit the option replace degree 1, and it will take us to select the degree that we wanted to replace it with. We will select any degree from here according to the change that is being requested. And what is next? Correct. We'll replace the 1 degree and it will take us to the confirm page. So excellent job. So excellent job on providing me guidance to walk through. Very good, very well done. Now I want you to yourselves make some of the changes with the examples that I requested in my previous email using the tablets that you have with you, and I'm gonna provide you with feedback on what things are working and how can we make the process better for you to work on this application. So you can start your practice, and if you have any questions, I can solve it. Yeah. Yes, we will enter first the information for our client. There you go. Very good. All the changes that you have made look very good. And remember that before you submit the change, we can review the change and make sure that all the information is correct before we hit that submit button. After you completed the real changes, I'm going to give you the opportunity for one of you to volunteer and come in front of the class to access the COP or the change of program application and show us how it's done. So that will give you the opportunity to demonstrate that you have learned how to use these functions, and also to share with your colleagues the process of changing or replacing or dropping a degree element using the COP application. So I want to thank you for your attention. Please remember you can send me feedback. You can email me your feedback on things that are working and things that can be improved. I thank you for being here, for your interest in receiving this training. We will see you next time.